Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today we'll talk about AOD-9604. This is another peptide from our peptide series that will go briefly over what it is and what are the benefits. AOD-9604, commonly known as fat burning peptide. It is a chain of 191 amino acid that stimulates the pituitary gland. AOD contains the same amino acid as those found in naturally occurring growth hormone. It activates the fat oxidation by mechanism which triggers the fat release from obese fat cell and increases the fat burning. It has an extraordinary ability to reduce the abdominal fat store and has unique ability to target area where there are abnormally high level of fat. So AOD is perfect for improving your fat metabolism when you're trying to lose weight and still protect the muscle loss. Unlike some other fat burning peptides and weight loss medication, AOD doesn't increase your hunger level and doesn't affect your blood sugar level. Some of the benefits of AOD-9604 are it reduces the body fat. It actually stimulates the lipolysis, which is breaking down of fat and lipid in the body. And it inhibits the lipogenesis, which is transformation of non-fatty food into body fat, thus preventing the fat storage. So AOD peptide works by inhibiting the lipogenesis and stimulating the lipolysis, eventually helping you break down the stored fat and preventing the new fat to build up. Perfect peptide for losing fat and keeping your lean muscle on. And it can also be a perfect add-on to other therapies like testosterone replacement therapy or other peptides. Subscribe and give us a thumbs up.